And hello everybody, we're back with on a second video. Today we're also going to talk about one of the past winners, Team Voyagers, who had best storytelling for their project. And as a reminder, the challenge that they handled was called Everything Starts with Water, and their task was to create a visual tool to help students better understand the complete path of water across the entire Earth system. Yeah, they made something really dope. In the last video, we talked about how they might be able to use the metaverse to do something like this. So I think this time, let's talk about how you could use AI, right? So they produced an app. Could we make an app from scratch using AI? What do you think, Oatmeal?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. Sorry. Yes, you can. I guess that's what ChatGPT is for. But of course, you have to learn a few programming language. You have to understand a few concepts, frameworks, and stuff like that before we can get into it. But I think a good way to start is just ChatGPT first.
You could ask ChatGPT how they would, the pathway to create an app, right? The
Yeah.
step-by-step. Previously, we talked about GitHub Copilot. So, would ChatGPT be able to give you the framework first and then you go into GitHub Copilot and get rolling from there?
Yeah. I think ChatGPT can give you maybe the structure of it, or like what can you do, and Copilot can give you the more detailed codes that you need to start coding it.
Okay. With GitHub, if there were tools to make games such as G-Develop, right, which also very drag and drop, a lot of this kind of code, you can kind of plug and play them together to have your final app or game, right?
Yeah, I mean, G-Develop is a drag and drop, and I think you can have ChatGPT to even help you to guide you through the logics or like suggestions on how maybe the gameplay would work if you want to do like a top-down shooter or something.
Interesting. What do you think are some other kind of generative tools that probably could help them? Because game development is not just about the code, right? There are visuals and audio and everything. What do you think?
There's even like a music generator, there's audio generator, text scripting, like for voice stuff, photo generative. But now there's video, right? That'd be great. Yeah, I think that's on my head.
So somebody could very quickly get started with a lot of this, and assuming that they were using mostly GitHub and maybe G-Develop, at least they could concept a lot of things very quickly, right? And then you just put together and refine.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have any specific tips we want to give to people that were using a lot of AI for their project? What do you think?
To be honest, the challenges is there. All you need to have is actually how you're going to solve it. All the content, all the tools, you can always use AI to simplify it, or at least to make it faster, right? The challenge itself, you must be able to solve it by yourself.
Oh yes, you can't just...
ChatGPT won't solve that challenge for you.
Yeah, don't copy paste.
Yeah, but they are good tools for you to simplify it or to expedite your solutions. I think that's where AI is your tool or your helper.
Probably we should start compiling a little tool and then we can dump them into our bio so that you guys can check it out.
So many.
So many? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That is all for today. Next videos, we should already have a look at some of the summary challenges for 2024.
Yes.
So then we can talk through how you might be able to use the metaverse or AI for those. So if you like what you've been seeing so far, make sure you join Space Apps Challenge. Okay, go to spaceappschallenge.org, register, find your local event, Kuala Lumpur, and
Mitoworld.io. Follow us.
Follow us at Mitoworld for more of whatever this is. Okay, we'll see you guys soon.
Shut down.